Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use the online tool Kahoot. So the first step you're going to take is to go to kahoot.com, and then you're going to click login, and if you don't have a login, just click sign up. It's real easy, simple, and free. All you need to know is your email, your birthday, and you have to create a username. And once you are logged in, you will see the past Kahoots you've made under My Kahoots here. And if you have made some Kahoots and they don't show up here, just click Kahoots and they'll be there. So then you're going to want to click Create, and then you're going to type your question. So I just have two questions just to give you an example. So the first one, which is in a multiple choice format, the question is, what's the capital of Cuba? And so you're gonna, if you want an image, just click Image Library. If you don't have an image you want to upload, I'm just gonna use this image, and then you're gonna put in your answers, whatever answers you have. So my answers I have are Belize, Honduras, Haiti, and Havana. Havana is the right answer, so you're going to click the little circle, the check mark, and then you're going to have the time limit: 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 60, 90, 120, or 240 seconds. I'm going to have 10 seconds, and the points are going to be worth 2,000, and since only one answer is correct, you're going to click single correct. If more than one answer is right, then you're going to click multi-select. It's just going to stick to single select. If you have more than one question, click add question. Here's quiz, and here's true or false. The next question I have is true or false. So it's just like the other one. You're going to put your question. So the question I have for true or false is H2O is the chemical for water. So then you're going to click image library, and you're going to find any image you want. I'm just going to choose this one. And then since it is true, you're going to click true, and I'm going to put 2,000, and the second timer is going to be 10 seconds. And then once you're done, you're going to click done, and then you can use that to help you study. It's real simple way to use, and it can help you. You can just play it by yourself, but it is highly recommended that you use at least two people. It's just a fun, competitive way to learn. So yeah, if you want to use Kahoot, I encourage you to do so. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.